from education department, please do your homework. High meritorious students of no. Teibutzen encouragement Renani Bagai. We could have spoken about their background. Bahiklai Mocharairog. Class 1, 2, 3, both school of Porika. How they slogged. 91, 92, 95% Bannan Bagai. How they did the hard work. All such things could have been explained in shortest period of time. More than the students, Anglang Boroni guardian don't say, I really thank them. Most of the homework Serai Chigon Pro, I am sure mother was running after the children, father was running after the children, tuition lang mathang. Timely my packet Rima Horoit. Muktrini, Mas Hosau. So it is not all about the student alone. Parents have greater role in shaping up the student's career and result. Plus, Zara School of Fernairo. I was shocked not to see anyone receiving the felicitation memento from Kumpui Academy. Whereas we keep telling every time Kumpui Academy is one of the prestigious school run by TTADC. CEO is sitting here. Honorable EM is also here. CM is also here. I think our focus also should go to Kumpui Academy. Kumpui Academy o class mark khainai ma cholri nai tinero sasa academy ni Kornodhar ora asubjak, you will identify him with his necktie. Tremendous result like I've been in school. How his wife and himself, the hard work they did to bring up this school, I think they need big congratulations and thanks from our side. As Zaga Buano Salsa Sai nobody bought that land because the land was sloppy. With very cheap rate, he could buy that land and he started building his school. Tini Kumlungo Jodi, anybody talks of good school, I think Sasa is also one of the good schools in Kumlung. So this is all hard work. And I tell you, Tinizara, some of you, 92%, 91%, but the challenge is ahead. The moment you enter in your college or in school, another challenge you will get now. Pori Puru Kaisa challenge, Pori Bhai Pai. There is another challenge. MA Klaijak, Net Klaijak, Charerok Chakri Manjait. And I tell you, you must prepare yourself. Ang Tripurao Achaika, Tripurao Porika, Tripurao no Chakrimana Nangnai. Please don't have that mindset. Always dream big. I tell you, you should dream big. Some of you, meritorious students, you are sitting here. You think that one day I'll work in United States of America. One day I'll go and work in Australia. Khoroksa Chakma, the class 12 pass clay auxilium ni. She's getting training to become pilot in Florida. Amti hai zil tongna nangai hai. Kaisa opening song resap dinka. That opening song is also not perfect, I am telling you. That is not 90%. Opening song, it should be really opening song. I was telling Honorable EM Education, music sungbo, buini nungmang nukhablaite. Music kahamna nangna, and music also speaks a lot. Kumpui Academy wo. Nini class thik moto klaise gya sungnu ko haite. And we are running Kumpui Academy. Agami din Kumpui Academy ni student of Boron to the 50% more payment to Kumpui Academy student of Manna Nangnai haite. Where poor people will go? Zotono St. Paul's Auxilium does not take you just like that. They only need money. If you cannot fee, you are no one there. Kintu Kumpuyo Porinan Bagai as fee nangyait. Suchini education afro success nai. Jokon school hamiani Sarai kaham basai phaile. And Tinizararo student phainero. I know Norogonek borok songo. Ang doctor de porinai, engineer de porinai, teacher de you don't know anything. You always ask your seniors, parents, interaction like that. Don't only play with mobile. Mobile will give you so much of information. Mobile misleads people sometimes. Stay away for some time from mobile until unless you don't need it. Tabungni zarairo noroni busuk kahamait. You don't need to buy books also at times. I tell you, there are students. The other day I was chatting with some law students. Norok boron boy pai hinsama. No, we don't need to buy the books. Google search kai job to information man. Pistols namnani, bumas namnani porjonto Google search kai ke ruai. The other day I was reading Buma Bahike Islam, now I can make bomb. Because it was clearly given, step by step, how to make gun, everything is given. I regret zora sayadiba je kash mere zamane mein wo information agar milta hum aur acha karta. Ani zorawa nga information manke ang busag kaham klaiman kamu. Now everything is in your fingertips. And I tell you, student kaham hinjagman bo kaisa khaklap sugo haite. Whole life you will boast yourself. That student kaham haite. Ar je borok gada bo jibono buinonuke kirimang thinai nen. Newton ni third law sadinga kharnai bo. A plus B whole square sadinga kharnai haite. So in whole life you will become coward and you will not be able to boast yourself as a good citizen of the country. Kaisa student kahamang busaman bo abo kom kogge. Sakriman ma borokogge. Sakriman man. There are so many jobs. Tripura o onek borok sao government job nango. But other than government jobs, there are so many jobs. My nephew, I'm talking about my nephew. Till the other day, sitting at home, he was earning more than 1 lakh salary per month because everything he manages through his laptop. Now Bangalore mo thana nangli hai. America thana nangli, and my dear students, অনেক কোম্পানি নি কতর বিল্ডিং তাবু অফিস স্পেস বন্ধ খাই দো তাঙ্গি চাইতে মান বিকজ so much of traffic in Bangalore, Delhi, Pune. A traffic no manage kainan bagi no go atsugui se tabu company ni manager rok samung tango. And that concept is called self-managed team. SMT, you have to manage everything. You have to do clerical job, managerial job, finance, everything you do and you are compensated in lakhs and crores. Buino nokol khainai charerok, I am warning you. Nokol khainai ulobo jibono nokol khainai buinok tangai je nang nok tangnai. Bui bike paiki je nang painai because nang nokol khainai. You don't have self-confidence. This is the time for you all. You build your self-confidence. Our self-confidence finan bagi onek charerok khanai bara khai rabai khaburo. Yang ni siljak rok tongunai det. Abo self-confidence manu borokbo. Oro nok bar sirik nangkai engza go haita borok. Yes, I am also student of Sasa Academy. Anonek borok sungu sir, why do you chop your hair so short? Nok bar phaikai khanai yango thango. Salsa chongwi ne ka sap ka rai pa bike nok bar thing mali aite. Tension free. So this is also self-confidence, I am telling you. Otherwise, like a fool, I always used to carry a comb in my pocket. Kuno jaga thaka kaisa aina se maru tu grau haite. Why? So that I make my hair okay. Build your self-confidence. Ti prasarok manya kuno kam kare. Norok nai di. পৃথিবীও যত টিভি নাম নাই রকছাবো জাপানিজ সাউথ কোরিয়ান যত মুয়া সানাই जाता है जापानीज सूप मुया करी खाएंगे साउथ कोरियन मुया करी खाएंगे त्रिपुरा के ताम साजा तो त्रिपुरा रंग ब्रेन करे हो सेज तीनी दारा 90-92-95% माननाई चारे रो they will prove East-West Tiprasas are the best, I am telling you. Tiprasarok kanai. We be siklik jagai datri. And most importantly, charero sao drugs theke hak saloto. Ambo ekdin decision na ka politics of hai nai. Sotono drugs na har hun khna angwaisa na har nai ki tamun. आगे जे ड्रग्स साजा बसा ओ सार ड्रग्स साजा दिनछौ तांगै बोर रिहेबो एक बछर तंग फैजाक नागालैंड आबो पुइला बो बामति खैनो चेंग्रा ताम खैलैनो रगा बुकुंबाय कै सुरुबलाय नै साय आनबो सुरुब दिगे सुरुबै जार कंगा बाटो मजा फैगे पुरा दुनिया पक थांगाबो एकदम बिरिमा तहा बहाय देबो 2 दिन